Good day, everybody. It's your neighborhood realtor, Bradley Arnold with United Country Southern Lifestyle Properties. I'm on location at 299 State Route 187, just outside of Milan, Tennessee. We're listing a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick home that sits on just shy of 2 acres. It's in a prime location with a newly built Starbucks just a mile down the road. This property has a 50 by 20 wired workshop, comes with a backup generator, 2-car garage, and it's again an excellent location. Let's check it out.